I'm Allison Cordovich.
I'm Carrie Tolvay, firefighter paramedic with Avon Fire.
Hi, I'm Officer Sullivan.
I'm Mike Belts, firefighter paramedic with Avon.
I'm Abby Purcell.
I'm Shay Kane.
Nick Yakabuchi, firefighter Avon.
Hi, I'm Chief Bosley.
John Vilwalk, firefighter paramedic, here with Captain Panahall.
I'm Brian Jensen, mayor with the city of Avon.
I'm Coach Elder from Avon High School.
Eric Draper, firefighter paramedic, city of Avon.
I'm Matt Schuler.
I'm Cody Salve.
I'm Brendan Johnson.
And I'm Tyler Muir.
I buckle up.
I buckle up.
I buckle up.
We buckle up.
We buckle up.
I buckle up.
We buckle up.
I buckle up. Do you?
Do you?
Do you?
Do you?
Do you?
Ian buckles up. Do you?